Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply for a TFN or tax file number in Australia. So, all you have to do is head over to ato.gov.au, and from the web page, just scroll down, and right here you can see tax file number. Just click on this. Then next is just click on apply for a TFN. So from here, you have a variety of options depending on your circumstance and residency status. So from the list of choices, we're just going to choose people living outside Australia. Proceed with application. Make sure that you read all the posts in this page. And going back to the how to apply section, if we read here, if you're a foreign resident for tax purposes, to apply for ATFN, you will need to complete a paper form. And for you to be able to complete the paper form, you can download it here by clicking on this link. You will then be redirected to this page. Once again, just click on the link, and this is how the PDF looks like. Just scroll down and make sure that you read all the necessary information and guidelines included in this PDF file. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see the form here. Make sure that you read all the instructions in filling up the form and fill out all the necessary information that is being asked. It is also included in this form that once you're done filling out this form, you're going to send this on this address, as you can see. And if you can't access or download the form, you can order it either online by clicking on this link or by contacting them on their phone number. Then, once you're done filling up the form, send it to the address. You should receive your TFN within 28 days from when we receive your completed application and required documents. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!